friends, happy Tuesday! Today we are going to learn about adding and subtracting with groups of 10 on a number line. So to get started, we're going to pull down our Draw tab. Now we've added and subtracted numbers before, but instead of using a number line, we used our cubes. So for hundreds, we used those place value blocks, the big squares. And we had lines for our groups of tens, and then our ones, we just used little squares. So we're going to be using these ones today, all of the big tens, because we're not going to have to worry about using ones or hundreds. So if we were doing it the old way, we would say, okay, 20. 20 is two groups of 10, and then we're adding 80 to it. So we'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10. Now, instead of having to draw all that out, we can use a number line. So if we're starting with 20, we don't have to draw out two groups of 10 anymore. We can just go to the 20 on the number line and start right here. Now we're going to go by groups of 10, so 20 plus 10 would be 30. So that would be our first group of 10. And now we said we're adding 80, so that means we're adding 8 groups of 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40. That's our second group of 10. And the third group of 10. Fourth, fifth, 6, 7, and 8 groups of 10. So now each of these is a group of 10. So we end up here at 100. So since we started out with two groups of 10 at 20, and then we added 8 to them, we had 100. Let's count to see if we were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 10 is 100. Let's check our old way of doing it as well to see if that's also correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 10. That's 100. All right, so next we're going to do 70 plus 10. So we're going to start at the 70. And then 10 is just one group of 10. So we're going to add one group of 10. And that brings us to 80. So our answer would be 80. 70 plus 10 is 80. Let's check that to see if it's correct. So if we have 70, it's 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then add one more is 8. 8 groups of 10 is 80. Now, when you're doing your assignment, you do not have to do this part with the check. You don't need to do that. But if you want to do the check, that's how you would do it. Now we're going to move on to subtraction. Now if you see with addition, we went above it. To remember that subtraction is taking away, we're going to go beneath. So if we're going to do it just like addition, where we start at the first number, which is 80, we'd start right here on our number line at 80, and we're going to subtract this time. So we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. So let's subtract. So here's one group of 10. Remember, we're subtracting, so we've got to go in this direction now, because we've got to have less. So that's one group of 10. There's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. So we get 40. Let's see, 40, is that our answer? 80 minus 40 is 40? Let's check the way we did it before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10 for 80, and 4 groups of 10 for 40. Let's get rid of 4 of these, and we'll get rid of 4 of these, so they can't cross each other out. Oh, what do we have left? We have 4 groups of 10, which would be 40. So that's correct. Let's do one more problem like that. This time we're not going to check it, so you know how you have to do it for your homework. So we're going to start at 50. Right here, and then we're subtracting 40, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, and we get 10. So 50 minus 40 is going to be 10. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you are able to complete your assignment, and as always, you can email me with any questions. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday.